Hey guys, I'm Alex from Bourse Trading, and today we have to admit that it's a pretty good day to be in crypto. Not only did Bitcoin strongly go above 13k, but most of that is probably thanks to PayPal being accepted to crypto, or should I say PayPal will be accepting crypto for future payments on transactions. So this is probably one of the most bullish news that we have heard in a while. And we all know that we had a bunch of bad news, right? I mean, we had OKEx exchange being arrested, BitMEX being arrested, KuCoin being hacked, BitHump being police raided. You know, there was all kinds of shit going around, and there were a lot of rug pulls on the farms, and a lot of scams on the farms essentially, and DeFi closing down. So yeah, we had a pretty bad pullback, but now Bitcoin is basically just shredding, right? It shredded over 13k like an hour ago, and it's pretty much amazing, right? Definitely, it's pays off for us staying bullish on Bitcoin, and this is exactly what we're saying. Many people changed their mind during this period of time when not a lot of stuff was happening on Bitcoin, and we remain true at it because we followed the price action. We haven't lost any main areas. We followed the price action, and we're being kindly rewarded for it. So yeah, frankly speaking, before we go onwards, and we are located on Cosmos today, I just want to tell you, please guys, subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch that notification button so that you get us on the front screen. And we do create these videos every day except on Sunday. So yeah, due to the fact that, I mean, let's just say the bull market is strongly in continuation, we know that right now Bitcoin dominance is going to be a little bit fadey, right? So basically Bitcoin dominance is probably going to pump a little bit for now, but we can now make these bets that so that it will chill out in the future, in the near future, supposedly, and that alts will then follow. So for now, to protect ourselves against, we are mostly going to be trading again USDT, because USDT is way more stable when Bitcoin is moving up and down, right? So we will try to predict, and right now it's basically Atom, or should I say Cosmos, right? Is basically in our buy area right now. And I've already talked about this trade in the yesterday's stream, but today I'm just making a shorter version of a video about it, right? So right here, the filled position would be right here, and our stop loss is going to be located around down here. So that brings us at about 12% of a stop loss. Not bad for stop loss, but it's also not the worst. So during that fade, we're going to be climbing all the way to up here with the first profit target. And this is what I'm saying. I was explaining this as well in the stream. The first profit target should probably be right here, right? The first profit target should probably be right here. But in the essence that I am really hoping that the bull will continue, I will start targeting a little bit further away. And that to the fact I will delete this essential profit target, and I will move all the way to up here and put a little risk into it, right? So this trade right now, we are looking at 33% on the first profit target, 2.7R, which is basically a pretty much amazing profit target, right? And now the second profit target is going to be leaning all the way up at 62% or 5R, and this is basically something that you really wish for, right? I mean, it is one of the good trades, and if it plays out, it will bring a lot of the moolah into the bank account, essentially, right? Or should I say into your trading account. Now, I'm not going to go for the third profit target due to the fact that third profit target, there's nothing to the left anymore. So for the third profit target, we would have to essentially, right, use fib or something like that. And I don't really want that because I do think it's not going to break on the first try. So when it comes up here, it's most likely going to reject and give us a refill spot somewhere around here. Depends on how price action is going to look like. I'm not going to try to, I'm not gonna try to predict for so far ahead, but yes, the fill spot is gonna be around here again, and if that's gonna happen in the near future. But first, we want to see that first profit target hit so that we can move the stop loss. And speaking about moving stop losses, do join to our 4C Telegram community, right, where we discuss how to move stop losses, how to adjust profit targets on when the price action changes and all of that. And also we do Bitcoin analysis and Ethereum analysis on daily manner, right? So we do that every day. And again, yes guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, and I guess we will be seeing each other in the new one.